Big D here, welcome back to the channel, Flapjack and Beans. How you all doing? It's quite a nice morning. The other day, or this morning, or whenever, we showed you the Neotech 3 installation of the SRL3 onto the new Neotech 3 helmet. And now the next little bit of a surprise package has just rocked up from our lovely friend UPS, bless him. He's a bit late, but this is for the GoPro, for all you camera geeks out there. And this is what I've ordered with my kit. I noticed that GoPro doesn't come in a nice case like it used to do. Like last year when I bought my 11, it come in a lovely little case. I don't think there's a little case in there, but we'll see. So this is the lens mod. This is the version 2 lens mod, which is supposed to be very good for motorcyclists, and very good for old farts riding around on KTMs and such things as that. I don't know, so I've decided to push the boat out and buy one of these. God knows what it is, but we'll look at that in a moment. And this is the GoPro Hero 12. How lovely is this going to be? Now, I've heard all sorts of reports, but as I said earlier, I bought this for one reason, because it's got the Bluetooth connectivity, which I'm hoping when I bring my little showy friend in here, we're going to be able to pair this to this. So that's what we've got to see, whether that will work. So here we go. We're now going to take this out and open it up. Yeah, lovely. You get a little manila envelope now. We used to get a lovely big box. So that can go in the trash. Just tap the screen, Chris, it'll come back on. That's it. I'm just showing my assistant who's doing a bit of camera work, bless him. He's not quite used to it yet. But this is the GoPro 12 here, look. So this is what it comes in a box. If you just have to bear with me because I'm an old twat, I have to put my glasses on while I just read you a couple of items on here. So what should be in the box is a USB lead, a little flat mount, a finger mount, a screw, an enduro battery and a GoPro. Whoopie-doo. And this has 27 megapixel photos. It has voice control. It goes up to 5.3 and HDR. Yeah, it has HDR, that's new to it. So that's going to be interesting. We'll see how that goes. Hypersmooth 6 is new as well, and of course the Bluetooth connectivity. Now then, I think you go around the back, don't you, on a GoPro? Yeah, you do. You go around the back, look, and you pull off this little tab, and it makes you feel all important for spending your money, doesn't it? Well, it don't really, but anyway. So then we get that out, and as I say, you now used to get a nice little case. But what do you get now? Oh, we get a nice little
recyclable box.
Yeah, recyclable box, Chris. It's lovely. Your camera must be updated before you can use it, so that's going to be a thing which we'll have to do, and I've got to get back to you. Load of bullshit there, some GoPro stickers, some there, questions and answers. To be fair to GoPro, I've found them a very good company, so I'm not going to knock them. So I know there's a lot of knockers out there, but I've found them very good. God knows how you're supposed to get that lot out of there, but we'll try it this way. There we go. There we go. So that's what you get in your box. You get a flat mount, you get a screw, you get a pinch mount, which has got the, folding fingers mount, which has got the lockable thing. They're good, those. I like those. I've got plenty of those. You get a USB-C to USB lead. So there. You get an endurance battery, which I've got several of, which I find these quite good. But again, it's supposed to give you more life now on the battery, but mainly because they put geometry, they took GPS off it, so you don't, if you would lose your GoPro or you want to do any track days on a racing car or a motorcycle, you'll not be doing it with this because you've got no geometry on it. So we'll go ahead now and we'll take these little babies off and we'll update this. And have you seen this? I've just got to put this to count. Oops, that won't come on. It just peels off. Bloody hell. I think China stuck it on too much. That's not a very good GoPro. Look at that. I'm going to have to spend some time. That's a good job for Chris. But see that? Look at them. They just peel off lovely. Look at that thing on main front screen. It's like bloody wallpaper. Not very good. How many people have had that? Let me know in the comments, please. But yeah, but if you look, it looks like you've left it out in garage and somebody's done a bit of overspray on it. Can you see? And they all say people like it, people don't like it, but you can hardly see it to me, can you? I don't think you can see it on camera, but yeah, you can see a little blueness, slightly, the blueness on it, and the number 12. So I'll go ahead and update this, and then we'll get back to you. It's dead easy. It's done via the GoPro Quick app, so you can see it's already updating. As we speak here, it's downloading the update now. Doesn't take very long at all, so make sure you've got a good battery though in your GoPro before you fire it up. That's one mistake I made once. I can see now I'm down to what? 35%, so it should be good. Mary had a little lamb, she milked it with a spanner, the milk came out in shilling cans, a little one a tenner. I'm connected now via the GoPro on the GoPro 12 via the Sena SRL. I don't understand why I'm only getting a small tiny bit of screen on that side, but anyway, that's it. So I'll film Chris. Say something, Chris. Yeah, it looks like it's working. It looks like it's working. We're recording. We're doing a test now, so I'm now going to walk away while Chris holds that there, and I'm going to walk away and just see if it still picks up my sound, how far away I go. I'm still walking away. I'm still walking away. I'm still walking away. I'm coming back now. You'd never be that far away from motorcycle ever. You'd never ever be that far away from motorcycle. So I'm talking normal. That's talking normal. And I'm going to close my visor and see what difference the sound makes. So that's with the lid down and the visor open. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I don't think there's any way of adjusting it on the GoPro, but so I'm now going to close that down. That's as if I'm riding now. Very big improvement. I suspect the sound's gone very, very bassy now, as it has in my own ears, and that's how I'd be riding. That's how I'd be riding like that. So, okay, thanks for watching that little pairing up video. I can report I did ride the motorcycle 200 miles yesterday, and unfortunately the sound wasn't good, but the parts that I did film, the footage was lost for some reason. I've talked to GoPro, I'm trying to sort it out. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please remember to subscribe. Ride safe, be happy.